In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Xerox printer with a Windows laptop. You can use this method for any Xerox printer. I'll show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup first, and then we will add this printer in our Windows laptop. Go to the printer display panel. If your printer has a panel like this, you can just click on the setting icon and then go to the main screen. Scroll ahead and click on the network. Click on the wireless. Setup on printer panel. Choose network. It will give you the list of wireless networks. You have to select your network. Now enter the password using this panel. You can use it to enter the alphabets, numbers, special characters like this. Once you enter the complete password, press OK to apply the password. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now go to your Windows laptop. In the laptop, type in your Xerox printer model and type in driver in the end. It will take you to the Xerox website. On the Xerox website, you will see your printer. In the drivers and download, it will automatically display your operating system. You just have to scroll down and click on the agree with the terms and conditions and click on the download. Now double click to open the file and click yes. It will open a small download window. Agree with the terms and conditions. It will display your wireless printer and click on the quick install. Printer is completely installed. Now we can just click on the printer test page for the confirmation. That means our printer is completely installed. We just close this window, click on the done, and now you can start printing with this printer using your laptop. This way we can do the complete setup of the Xerox printer with your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching.